Hello everyone, I'd like to discuss about nuclear energy. Nuclear energy, is it a path to sustainability or a risk to growth? Currently, the discourse concerning energy sources with nuclear energy included is about the most profound controversies of our time. On one hand, supporters will say that this is a clean, dependable energy source that is necessary to mitigate climate change. While on the other hand, there are risks of disastrous accidents, concern over radioactive waste, and misuse. But even though nuclear energy has a lot of benefits, one cannot ignore the risks associated with it, along with costs that would need to be incurred. One important strength of nuclear energy is the amount of greenhouse gases that are released during the production of electricity and their operational cost. There are hardly any emission of carbon dioxide in the operation of nuclear power plant as coal and natural gas would. Since the world is facing the dire consequences of climate change, it is crucial that we shift to alternate energy sources that can reproduce carbon emissions. Nuclear power could augment solar and wind energies by providing a stable base load that generates electricity when the sun doesn't shine or the wind doesn't blow, which renewable sources do. Moreover, nuclear energy can be added to another composition that could be even more efficient than any alternative source. For example, one uranium fuel pellet is equal to 1 ton of coal and can be used to produce energy, whereas 17,000 cubic feet of natural gas can only be used in certain situations. Thus, more efficient means lesser resources being used for mining and transportation as would be the case with fossil fuels. Also, new technologies like small modular reactors, which are aimed at the standardized modular approaches, increase energy outputs in a safer manner. However, even though there are some advantages to the nuclear energy, there is some risk on the same. The nuclear disaster of 1986 in Chernobyl, in 2011 in Fukushima are vivid examples of how rather rare but devastating this disaster can be. Those effects included loss of life, long-term health issues, and a significant amount of pollution to the environment. The containment, cleanup, and compensatory measures cost billions, usually for the taxpayers for decades. Nuclear energy and its plants also generate another critical proportion of issue which can be termed as radioactive waste. The spent fuel, which is produced by the nuclear reactors, gives off radiation and still has a stake left inside it for thousands of years. Countries have found a way by burying under a mountain so-called the deep geological repository, where it can be stored for as long as may be needed. It does not come cheap, and it is not the best solution to the long-term safety of plants, and most importantly, the nuclear waste remains a security threat to the future generations. In summary, nuclear energy is an attractive option for meeting the growing need for energy in conjunction with tackling global warming. Yet, and costs must be taken into account. If societies are to embrace nuclear power in any capacity, then its risk can be mitigated in a concurrent energy policy. Nuclear energy is a tool that can either be embraced or rejected based on scientific findings, international principles, and ideologies rather than on politics.